Here I've got Apple iPhone 7 and let me show you how to reset all the settings on the following device. At the very beginning, let me start by using a home screen. Here you should find and select the settings icon right here. Let's scroll down and choose General. Scroll down again and let's choose Reset. Afterwards, let's select Reset all settings, and if you are sure that you reset all settings, no data or media will be deleted, let's choose Reset all settings. To continue the whole operation, tap Reset all settings again, and that's it. Now the device is performing the restoring the default settings operation. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. Now we can press the home key, and as you can see, now you may use your device. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.